Hello guys, my name is David and I welcome you to AOLISHENG factory. And let me introduce you AOLISHENG Droid slides right here. But today we're going to talk about 76 AOLISHENG Droid slide. Material calls cold rolled steel Q235. The width is 76 millimeters. The installation thickness is 19.3 millimeters. And the material thickness for three parts of this product is 2.5 millimeters, the same. And the load bearing is 220 kilogram. Wow, that's very strong. And the surface treatment calls blue zinc right here. And the product weight is 250 grams per 2 inches. And installation form is Droid slide. It uses for containers, RVs, and modified vehicles. So my dear friends, if you're looking for the best and high quality Droid slide, welcome to AOLISHENG factory. And AOLISHENG factory is always happy to cooperate with you guys. And AOLISHENG is the best choice, guys. See you later.